Welcome to Antonine International School El Dequana. This video tutorial demonstrates the fundamental steps for using Microsoft Teams by students. Launch Microsoft Teams and sign in using your school email address and your password. The Activity tab on the left sidebar is the place where you can view and manage all your activity, as for example the teacher has assigned a homework or an assignment, or has added you to a group. The Chat tab allows you to send messages or documents with a person or a team. Just type a message and click Enter. The Teams tab allows you to view, create, or join your team, for example, the Grade 1 team. The navigation bar shows the home page, the class notebook and the class work. If you click on Assignment, you can see that a math quiz and an English homework are assigned. To access the assignment, click on it. Then click on My Work and wait. Take your time to complete the quiz. Once you are done, click on Submit and close. As per the homework, go back to Assignment, read the instructions, prepare your answers on a Microsoft Word document. Attach the document. And then turn it in. If you have anything to correct, you can simply undo turn in, do the necessary changes, and turn it again. You can check your grades after the teacher grades your work in the Grades tab. In the General tab under Channels, you can access the files uploaded in the Class Materials tab. You can choose any document, right-click on the three dots and download it. In the Posts tab, you can see that the teacher has scheduled a meeting for the class. To join the meeting, you click on it and then you click on Join. A meeting call will appear. Don't forget to mute your microphone and click on Join Now. On the top sidebar, different buttons will show, like the Reaction button, like, love, applause, laugh, surprise. You can also raise your hand. You have the chat button as well. You can also turn on or off the camera and mute or unmute your microphone and use the share button. To end the call, you click on Leave and then Close. Back to the left slide bar, the Calendar tab bar will show your calendar displayed, including your scheduled meetings. Nothing is scheduled yet. To make a call, you can use the Call option located at the top of the Calls tab. At the end, make sure you don't have any updated activities or classwork. Thank you for watching. Check the playlist for more tutorials. For further assistance or information, please contact the IT department on it@ais-d.edu.lb.